All right, good morning, guys. Happy Monday, TGIM. Hope you guys all had an amazing weekend. Yeah, I noticed, what was it, Muhammad? I see you just posted, and then someone just dropped something in the chat. Byruk? Biruk? Hopefully I said that right. But yeah, that was a snag and a half, I would say. Only a couple confirmations on it. Mainly, you just had this liquidity sweep of that recent low, and essentially you just saw this displacement fair value gap entry. There was no SMT divergence because NQ and ES both swept that low. So you only had a couple confirmations, which was the liquidity sweep and then the fair value gap was offered. But yeah, working out so far, I would say. Waiting here for the next 5 minutes or so to see how this hour ends up. But kind of the same story here. If we break structure to the upside with strong displacement, I would not mind an entry here at this point. Like if we gap up, fair value gap over top this order block, that'll be a good entry, I think. Just anticipating and reacting. I like this fair value gap that's being formed. I'm going to see if I can just get away with a 5-point even stop loss. Here on ES, looking to enter in this fair value gap, 30 seconds left. And I'll just look to target this first high here. Create limit order. 1 to 2, 3. I get away with that 0.5%. This candle closes here in 3 seconds. So I'm going to put the limit order on now. See if we get this pull back into there. There we go. I got filled that time. I want to let one more candle close. I want to see if we leave that gap open. Ideally, we can get above that consequent encroachment of the new week opening gap. But yeah, you guys could go risk free if you want. I mean, manage your account how you want to manage it. Like if you're not okay with taking a loss at this point, feel free to do what you want to do. We've gone not quite 5 points. We're about 1 tick from 5 points. There we go. We just hit 5 points. Pretty much right on the dot. But anyway, Haslev, as far as your TP and stop loss goes, when you go to create a limit order, I'll show you over here on NQ since I'm not in it. I'm leaving risk on for now, guys. That's just me personally. You'll have to make sure your stop loss and take profit is toggled on when you create the limit order. And if it is, then it will be set automatically for you. Otherwise, yeah, you'll have to automatically, if you market execute, you have to go set your sell limit, your stop order, both your pending orders for your stop loss and take profit. But yeah, I know it kind of messed with my head a little bit too the first time. I was like, what the fuck? I can't. Where's my TP and stop loss? NQ is above the new week opening gap, closed above it on the 1 minute. Closed above consequent encroachment on ES. One more break to the upside. Okay, I'm gonna remove risk now, guys. Oh, you would fucking do that. Excuse my language. You could TP1 there if you guys want. I'm just gonna let it rip, I guess. Totally up to you guys. We went 5 points. We'll see if there's continued follow through. I would hate to take a loss at this point personally, so I'm not going to go risk free now. I wanted to leave it on if we came up just a little bit, came back down to that gap, you know, kind of initially. At this point, I wouldn't want to take a loss, so. Tick your TP. There you go. But I'm risk free at this point, guys, so whatever happens, happens. Looking like I'm going to get stopped at break even here. Just did. That sucks. So TP1, if you took it there at 5 points, it's up to you. I did not. Anything, reach out. Enjoy the rest of your guys' Monday. A brand new week is here. Let's see if we can kick off another great win streak. Technically, Friday was a winner if you caught it. Technically today, I'm not going to really count it as a winner because I know most of us didn't take partials or take profits. It was a winning trade that turned into a break-even trade. So it's kind of a wash. But so far, the winning streak is, I mean, we're on the right side of things still so far. We'll see if we can get another string of nice, really nice trades and some nice take profits going here to close off the month of October. We pretty much got one full week. This is the last full week of the month. There's 2 days, I think, next week of the 30th and the 31st of October. So, yeah, we'll close out spooky season the right way. But enjoy your guys' day. I'll talk to you guys later today. Enjoy your Monday. And, yeah, we'll talk soon, guys. Peace out.